Did you hear? Who is that?
Hi.
It's to you and Ridley. What is it?
Whoa! Do you like
Who is
it?
it? Winnie Pooh. She said Winnie Pooh. What is it, Ridley?
Wow.
Lip gloss for you.
And a broom.
And a froom. No, that's not a perfume. That's not a perfume. It's clear lip gloss. You want yours? Ray found the one exactly like it. She's like, here, I want mine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it, Ray?
More lip gloss.
Your lip gloss for Ray. What do you tell Daddy?
Today.
Hug and
welcome.
kiss.
I need more lip gloss.
I know. Pick out another present. Let's see whose it is.
Brindley.
Let's see.
It's gonna be.
To Brindley from Grandma and Grandpa. Open it right here.